In the heart of the ocean's silence, one choice changes destiny.
He carries not a trophy, but a curse of his own making.
What have I done?
She weaks not to waves of the trail.
Where am I?
That knowledge elephant is selling parrot humanoid's tail. Give me 100 gold coins.
The parrot is very crying and feels sad for the betrayal of her friend elephant farmer.
Parrot Mermaid thought that she will recover her tail from the ocean only.
This Parrot Mermaid is recovering her tail magically in the ocean.
The elephant humanoid is boating in the ocean for searching her love Parrot Mermaid. But the elephant humanoid is slipping from his boat and drowning into the sea. Elephant started sinking into the water. He's in deep water.
The mermaid is hearing love elephant is in danger here.
Parrot Mermaid has founded the sinking elephant humanoid farmer. The peacock mermaid saved the elephant humanoid farmer. She took him to her house.
Please like and share this video channel.